Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money on Premise and how you can check your cash out history. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first of all, Premise is an app where you can earn money easily. You have to complete tasks near your location, which are mostly surveys, but there are other tasks as well. So after that you can cash out your money through PayPal, Coinbase, or mobile top up, and you can check your cash out history if you click on the cash out history option, and here your cash out request and history will appear. In this way you can check easily when and how much money did you cash out. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.